Hello everyone. Welcome back to Tech It's Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a bank account on Bluebird. If you'd like to sign up for a new bank account and join in Bluebird Bank, keep watching the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. If you have not yet, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to create a Bluebird bank account, open up your web browser and go to the search box at the top and type in www.bluebird.com and make your search now from the official website of Bluebird tab on Open an Account. I just started registering. It says that in order to open an account on Bluebird, you must be at least 18 years old, you should provide your social security number, and you must have a valid email address. After you go through the information, tap on the next button. And now review the information below about your Bluebird bank account and Visa debit card. After you're done going through it, click on Next. Now type it in, use your name that you'd like to use for your bank account. Type it in the text box at the top. Now head over to the next field and make sure to type in a valid email address that you'd like to use for your account. After it is done, confirm the email address by typing it again in the text box where it says Confirm Email. Now create a password for your account in the next text box. While creating a password, make sure that your passwords meet this criteria as mentioned below on the display. Confirm the password by typing it again in the next text box at the bottom. Make sure both of your passwords in the text boxes matches and tap on Next. Now on the next page, fill in your personal details. Type in your first name, your last name on the next, and then type in your date of birth information. Tap Next after you attend. And now type in a phone number in the text box. After typing a phone number, tap on the next button. On the next page, type in a zip code. Once to type in your zip code, tap on the next button. Type in your address. On the next page. After you're done, tap on Next. Now, type in a social security number on the next page. Finally, tap on Next. Now you'll need to set up your ATM PIN. Choose a 4-digit number that will be easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. After you do that, you need to confirm your ATM PIN one more time, type in your PIN again and click Next. Go ahead and review your information if everything's correct or not. Change to and recorrect your information. And finally, click on Confirm Information. After everything's reviewed, go to the bank accounts a communication disclosure below and click Next. Agree to all the terms and conditions. Check all the boxes in the display and click on Submit, and that way you'll be able to create an account on Bluebird. That is all for today. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.